The ANC is currently focused on ensuring measures are implemented to fix local government. It is important that all eligible voters take an interest in local governance. Thus, the special appropriation bill we are considering support exercises of this fundamental democratic right of all citizens to vote. As a nation, we must take pride in the fact that the Independent Electoral Commission has conducted free and fair elections in our country. The allocation of the 1.1 billion for the IEC is critical to ensure that the IEC conducts a successful local government elections this year. As a country, we have been experiencing a decline of voter registration percentages and voter turnout on election day. As public representatives of the people and the IEC, we have a duty to ensure civic awareness and promote and encourage participation of all eligible South Africans to participate in elections.